Astronomers have located approximately 100 brown dwarfs in our neighborhood. Brown dwarfs are small objects that lie somewhere between stars and planets. This makes them very difficult to find, but a recent project which was aimed at finding Planet 9 has revealed a treasure trove of odd brown dwarfs. Brown dwarfs are strange. They are very small, and they are too small to show nuclear fusion of hydrogen in their cores, so they cannot be stars. But they are much larger than planets and form more like stars do. They are large enough temporarily to fuse deuterium in their cores right after they are born. Brown dwarfs represent an important bridge between planets and stars, a cosmic missing link. Astronomers are very curious about where they are, what masses they have, and how many of them exist in the universe. They are really difficult to find. They are small, which means they are less than 1/10 of the mass of the Sun, and they do not generate heat on their own. Instead, the only way they emit light is through the release of heat from their formation, which makes them incredibly and very dim. Despite that, astronomers do not know a lot about brown dwarfs. Research continues to locate Planet 9. However, these discoveries of brown dwarfs has created some meaning for the project. After identifying the candidate brown dwarfs, follow-up observations with the W.M. Keck Observatory in Mauna Kea in Hawaii, NASA's Spitzer Space Telescope, Mount Megagantic Observatory, and Las Campanas Observatory will continue to study these brown dwarf candidates in detail. The follow-up observations revealed that some of the brown dwarfs are among the coolest known. And of course, that's the reason why they have taken so long to be discovered. Some of these brown dwarfs have temperatures comparable to our own planet, despite being thousands of times more massive. Brown dwarf is a type of substellar object that has a mass between those of the heaviest gas giants and the least massive stars. They are generally between 10 and 90 times the mass of Jupiter. They do not have enough mass to produce energy by nuclear fusion. The small amount of energy that they emit comes almost exclusively from the heat stored in them during the collapse of the parent gas cloud from which they are formed. Brown dwarfs therefore gradually cool and fade with cosmological time. Brown dwarfs are sometimes referred to as failed stars, since they are more massive than planets but have insufficient mass to sustain nuclear fusion in their cores. The core temperatures of brown dwarfs must be below 3 million degrees, as at this temperature fusion becomes sustainable. Surface temperatures are 1000 degrees Kelvin or less. NASA Wide Field Infrared Survey Explorer WISE discovered 6 extremely cool brown dwarfs known as white dwarfs, which have temperatures as low as 300 Kelvin, which is the temperature of the human body. At such cool temperatures, the almost 6 brown dwarfs' atmospheres contain many molecules, including methane and water. Because of their low temperatures and small sizes, brown dwarfs have extremely low luminosities. This makes them extremely difficult to observe. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please let me know what you think about the discovery of almost 100 brown dwarfs that are currently floating around through our Milky Way galaxy. Subscribe, like, comment, and share.